Things are going so fast. People are occupied with social media. Occupied, have to get through this, have to get through that, have to see what's going on around the world. Why do you have to see what's going on around the world? It's going to affect you. You have to read Quran. That's what we have to do. We have to read Quran. We have to pray upon istighfar 100 times a day. We have to pray upon dhikr. After the salah, why rush? Stay, sit. Remember Allah. As you're sitting, remember Allah, the angels are supplicating for you. They say, Allahumma maghfir lahu, Allahumma arhamhu. Wallah, we need it. We need that rahmah. Because when we go out, problems in family, problems with children, problems with this one and that one, problem with this car, problem with that one, problem with mashakil, problems. And we say, why is there a solution? Why is there a solution? Ya akhi, spend a few minutes extra, ya akhi. After salah, come salah early. You come to Allah, Allah come to you by helping you, aiding you.